Today we're going to replace the resonator box on a BMW F850GS Adventure. It's going to be replaced with this straight through link pipe, which changes the sound of the exhaust and also loses a substantial amount of weight. This was bought online from China. It's about £30. You need a ratchet, 13mm combination spanner, T40 torque bit, 10mm socket extension bar. There's a bolt here. There's a bolt here. Need to take off eventually these two here, which is the exhaust cover plate. And the main excited silencer bolt is here, so you can remove it and then be able to remove the resonator. And that is a resonator box. A lot of weight there. This part's entirely optional, but I take the chance to give the inside and all around the exhaust silencer a clean.